All too often, we see the do-it-yourself homeowner replace their sprinkler nozzles without replacing or adjusting their old irrigation controller, or sometimes replace their irrigation controller and not replace their old sprinkler nozzles. We wanted to show customers how these devices interact and depend on one another, so we created the Smart Irrigation Pilot Project, or SIP as we like to call it. SIP is a 15-month study where we went into 5 residential sites and replaced their systems with pressure regulating sprinkler bodies, high efficiency nozzles, and Wi-Fi enabled weather-based irrigation controllers. When we went into these sites, we didn't want to significantly redesign the system, so we didn't adjust any sprinkler spacing or locations. We ensured minimal plant material alteration, and we allowed the homeowner to make all irrigation scheduling adjustments with only limited support. In this video, we'll show you how simple it can be to upgrade to the newest irrigation technologies.
A retrofit begins with the selection of the sprinkler bodies and nozzles. To determine what nozzle sizes you need, start by drawing a sketch of your yard. Take measurements of the spacing between sprinkler nozzles. After you know your sprinkler spacing, determine what degree of spray is needed. Select a 90-degree nozzle for corners, 180-degree for along hardscape, and 360-degree for the center of turf areas. The new multi-stream nozzles provide heavier water droplets to help reduce wastage due to wind. Paired with new pressure-regulated sprinkler bodies, they provide less misting and better coverage. To begin the installation, dig a hole around each of the current sprinkler heads. This will provide the best access for minor repairs and helps to keep debris out of the irrigation lines. Remove the old sprinkler body by twisting at its base. It always helps to turn on the water to flush the line after the new body is installed, but before the nozzle is attached. If you are confident that the lines are clear of debris, go ahead and insert and secure the new nozzle on the body before installation. Replacing an irrigation controller can seem rather scary for most homeowners, but it is actually a very simple process that can prove to be extremely rewarding. The new Wi-Fi enabled weather-based irrigation controllers automatically adjust the irrigation schedule based on current weather conditions, and they can be programmed using an app that can be loaded onto your smartphone, tablet, or home computer. Replacement starts by removing your old controller. Label each of the wires with identifying information before you remove the old controller, or take a picture of the wiring before you remove it. This makes installation of the new controller much simpler. Follow the manufacturer's procedure for installation, which is normally as simple as screwing the new device into the wall, hooking up the wires, and plugging it into power. The new device will have a process for connecting to your home Wi-Fi, so make sure that you have your password ready. Next, download the device's app to your smartphone, tablet, or home computer and set up your account. The app will provide step-by-step instructions on how to set up your different irrigation zones. It will request information like nozzle type, plant material makeup, soil type, and slope. Once programmed, the controller is ready to use. Irrigation schedules can be manually input, or the app can set them up automatically based on the season and unique characteristics of each zone. As always with new irrigation schedules, take note of the soil and plant condition over the first few weeks. Adjustments may be necessary if the soil is too wet or dry. The new controllers also provide an automatic rain delay if it is forecast to rain each day. They will also adjust your schedule each month based on historical weather data. And what many consider the best feature is that you can now manually run or shut down your sprinklers from your phone. And no more running back and forth to the controller location to turn on the system when performing regular maintenance on your sprinklers. With a Wi-Fi based controller, you can walk around your yard with your device in hand, turning the sprinklers on and off with the touch of a button.
We hope that this eases some of the fears that you may have about upgrading to the newest technologies. Although often forgotten, landscape irrigation is the #1 consumer of water at residential properties. This can be a fun, money-saving project that can be performed with only a shovel and a screwdriver. For further information or to share your success story, give us a call or visit ranchowater.com.